morning children. Namaste. Welcome back to the session. Children, in the last class you have learned that rocks are made up of substances called as minerals, and based on the formation rocks are of three types: igneous rock, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks. The word igneous means fire or heat. So these rocks are made up of magma or lava. Igneous rocks are of three types, children. Those are granite, which is made from the magma. Magma is the molten rock present in the earth crust. Basalt and pumice, these two igneous rocks are made from lava, children. Lava is the molten rock which comes out when the volcano erupts. So these three types of igneous rocks already we studied. Now let us continue today's session. Lesson number 3, Rocks and Minerals. Topics to be discussed: formation of sedimentary rocks, types of sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary, 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 a rock made from sediment. Fossil, 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 the remains or impressions of a plant or animal embedded in rock. Impression, 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 a mark made by a plant or animal. Shale, 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 soft sedimentary rock. Shale, shale. Sandstone, S-A-N-D, sand, S-T-O-N-E, stone, sandstone, sedimentary rock formed with sand. Conglomerate, C-O-N-G-L-O-M-E-R-A-T-E, conglomerate, C-O-N-G-L-O-M-E-R-A-T-E, conglomerate, a thing consisting of a number of different items that are grouped together. Limestone, L-I-M-E, lime, S-T-O-N-E, stone, limestone, a type of sedimentary rock. Calcite, C-A-L-C-I-T-E, calcite, a white mineral present in limestone. Calcite, C-A-L-C-I-T-E, calcite. Decorative, D-E-C-O-R-A-T-I-V-E, decorative, ornamental or to make something look more attractive. Decorative, D-E-C-O-R-A-T-I-V-E, decorative. Quartz, Q-U-A-R-T-Z, quartz, type of mineral present in rocks. Quartz, Q-U-A-R-T-Z, quartz, type of mineral present in rocks. Children, to understand better about the sedimentary rock, let us learn what is sediment first. For this I want to show you one activity, children. I took one transparent glass, some sand and water, children. So now I will fill 3/4 of glass with water, children. 3/4 of glass I filled with water, and I am going to add 2 to 3 spoons of sand, children. Children, what you observe? Here I observe that total sand settled at the bottom of the container, children, bottom of the glass. This is called as sediment. So here sedimentary rocks are formed from sediment, children. The sediment may be of mud, the sediment may be of clay, gravel, sand or pebbles. So like these the sedimentary rocks are formed. Children, now you are clear about sediment, right? Yeah. So the heat of the sun, wind, rain and flowing water cause rocks to break into smaller pieces, children. And wind and water carry these rocks to rivers and seas. And there they settle down at the bottom. They sink at the bottom and settle down in layers called sediments. It takes some millions of years to form the sedimentary rocks, children, and the upper layers, the water, everything will apply pressure on the lower layers to form a rock-like substance. These are called as the sedimentary rock. In sedimentary rock, children, you can see some impressions of dead animals and plants. They are trapped in between the sediments. Those are called as fossils, children. These sedimentary rocks may contain fossils which help scientists to learn about plants and animals that once lived on the earth. Children, here you can see fossils. Fossils are remains or impressions of dead plants or animals. Here you can see fossils on sedimentary rocks, children, animal impressions and plant impressions. Few types of sedimentary rocks are shale, sandstone, conglomerate and limestone. Shale. It is a type of sedimentary rock, children. We can easily recognize shale by its smell, children. When we immerse piece of shale in water, it smells like wet mud. Shale is made up of clay and tiny mud particles. When clay and tiny mud particles, when they settle, when they sediment at the bottom of the seabed, then it forms as shale. We mostly use shale to make bricks and tiles. Sandstone. Name itself indicates its formation, children. Layers of sand grains sediment to form sandstone. It mostly contains the mineral quartz. This sandstone may be red, pink, brown or yellow in color, children. The walls of the Red Fort in Delhi are built with this red sandstone. Here you can see images of two forts, children. One is the Red Fort in Delhi. The walls of the Red Fort in Delhi are built with red sandstone. And here you can see Amer Fort, Rajasthan. This Amer Fort in Rajasthan is built with sandstone, children. Conglomerate. Already we studied the meaning of conglomerate, children. Conglomerate is nothing but a thing consisting different items grouped together. So this conglomerate are also made up of different things, children. Layers of pebbles, gravel, all they settle together. They settle and they sediment together to form a conglomerate. If you see the conglomerate in the image, you can see, children, you can see different pebbles, there will be the gravel, everything will be there in the conglomerate rock. And it is mostly grey or orange in color. Mostly used for decorative purpose, children. Yeah, they use this conglomerate even in the aquariums also, and to decorate the walls. Limestone, if you see the image of the limestone, children, it is white in color and it consists of many hard shell coverings of dead sea animals, children. So limestone, it is made up of sediments of hard shell coverings of sea animals, and it contains the mineral called calcite, children. And chalk is also a type of limestone which we use to write on the blackboard. The chalk, it is also a type of limestone. It is made, chalk is made up of limestone, and limestone is widely used as a building stone. It is also used for making cement and glass. Children, in today's session, you have learned that formation of sedimentary rocks and different types of sedimentary rocks like shale made from mud or clay particles, sandstone made from sand particles, conglomerate. It is made from different things like pebbles, gravel, etc. and limestone. It is made from hard shells of dead aquatic animals. Children, now do the worksheet. Thank you, children.